If you think mid-range phones can't feel premium anymore, think again, because the Samsung Galaxy A57 might just be the biggest surprise of the year, and trust me, what Samsung is planning with this device could completely change the way you look at budget flagships. The Samsung Galaxy A57 is expected to come with a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling through social media, gaming, and watching Netflix will feel incredibly fluid and vibrant, with deep blacks and punchy colors that Samsung displays are famous for. Under the hood, the A57 is rumored to pack a powerful Exynos or Snapdragon mid-range chipset built on an efficient 4nm architecture, delivering strong performance for multitasking, gaming, and daily usage without overheating, and paired with up to 8GB or even 12GB of RAM and fast UFS storage. This phone is designed to handle everything from heavy apps to intense gaming sessions smoothly. Now here's where things get really interesting. Samsung is heavily focusing on AI features this year, so expect advanced AI photo enhancement, smart battery optimization, real-time voice transcription, AI-powered image editing tools, and intelligent performance adjustments that learn your usage habits over time, making the phone feel faster and smarter the longer you use it. Speaking of battery, the Galaxy A57 is expected to feature a massive 5,000 mAh battery with 25W or possibly even faster charging support, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. And with Samsung's optimized One UI software on top of Android, battery efficiency could be better than ever. When it comes to cameras, leaks suggest a triple camera setup led by a high-resolution 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization for sharper night shots, alongside an ultra-wide lens for those dramatic landscape photos and a macro or depth sensor for detailed close-ups, plus a high-quality front camera perfect for selfies and 4K video recording, making this phone a solid choice for content creators on a budget. The design is also expected to receive a refinement with a sleek matte finish, slimmer bezels, Gorilla Glass protection, and possibly IP rating for water and dust resistance, giving it that premium flagship vibe without the flagship price tag. Samsung may launch the Galaxy A57 in early 2026, possibly in the first quarter, and if the pricing stays competitive in the US market, this device could dominate the mid-range category. But here's the real question. Can it truly compete with other powerful mid-range devices from brands like Google and OnePlus? Or will Samsung surprise us with something even bigger? Maybe an exclusive AI feature that no one is expecting? And here's the twist that most people are missing. Samsung could quietly introduce enhanced long-term software support for the A57, meaning more Android updates than ever before in this price segment, which would make this phone not just powerful today, but future-proof for years. So, if you're waiting to upgrade without breaking the bank, the Galaxy A57 might be the phone you've been waiting for, but we'll have to see how Samsung positions it at launch, because one small change in pricing could make it either unbeatable or just another mid-ranger. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which P.